Tswana Lesson 4. Conversation. Leina la gago ke mang? Leina lami ke Sarah. Wena umang? Nna ke Dineo. Ke tumela go go itse Dineo. Le nna ke tumela go go itse Sarah. O tswa kae? Ke tswa kwa Switzerland. Wena o tswa kae? Nna ke tswa kwa Botswana, kwa Gaborone. Mme jaanong ke nna ko Tswane. A o nyetswe, Sarah? O na le bana? Ee, ke nyetswe. Mme ga ke na bana. One more time with the translation. Leina la gago ke mang? What is your name? The name of yours, it is what? In spoken Tswana, you will often have your form shortened to lago instead of la gago, or yago or tsago. Leina lami ke Sarah. My name is Sarah. Or the name of mine, it is Sarah. Wena umang, and you, as for you, who are you? You are whom? Na ke Dineo. Me, I am Dineo, or as for me, I am Dineo. Ke tumela go go itse Dineo. I am happy to meet you, Dineo. Ke tumela, I am pleased. Go itse is to know, and you, go itse, to know you, to get to know you. Lena ke tumela go go itse, Sarah. Me too, Lena. Ke tumela go go itse. I'm pleased to meet you, Sarah. O tswa kae? Where are you from? You come from where? Ke tswa kwa Switzerland. I come from Switzerland. Wena o tswa kae? And you, where do you come from? Nna ke tswa kwa Botswana. As for me, I come from Botswana. Kwa Gaborone, from Gaborone. Me jaanong ke na ko Tswane, but now I live in Tswane. And again, jaanong can also be heard as jaanong. The j and the y are interchangeable. A o nyetswe, Sarah. Are you married, Sarah? So a is just the question particle. You are u nyetswe. You got married. O na le bana. Do you have children? You are with. So you be with children. E ke nyetswe. Yes, I am married. Me ga ke na bana, but I don't have children. So ga ke na, I do not have. Another look at the vocabulary. Itumelela is to be pleased, to be happy. And these verbs that end in lela are often just shortened to la, itumela, in spoken language. Itumetse is the past tense of itumelela. Gotswa is to come from, to originate. Gona is to stay or to live or to sit. And then nna is me, as for me. Leina is the name. Mang is who. And nyetswe is married for a woman. And nyetse, without the W, is married for a man. How it works. So we'll look at nouns and then the emphatic pronouns, as for me, as for you, and how to say let's do something. So looking at these nouns, we can see that Tswana has certain prefixes that also have a meaning. So for instance, the root tu, or it's THO, but you say tu, is for person, and that's why Tswana is also a part of the Bantu language family, because all these languages have a word similar to ntu or tu for person, Bantu for people. In Tswana, it's mutu for one person, or just person, and batu for people. Ngwana is a child, and bana, children. Abuti is a brother, Babuti are brothers. Ntate is father. Bontate is fathers. Ma is mother. Bomma is mothers. You can also say me. Both are used in Tswana. Then, how do we get nouns from verbs? So the verb go ituta means to learn, and a learner or a student, we add this mo, which we had from mutu, the person, muituti. So the verb ends in a normally, and in the noun, the learner is moituti, or baituti would be the learners, the students. Then we have direla is to work, modiredi is the worker, badiredi the workers. Opela is to sing, mopedi is a singer, baupedi the singers. Easy mnemonic to remember opela would obviously be opera, an opera singer, opela. Khotusa is to help, and the noun I need help, I want help would be tuso. Okay, so tuso means help as a noun. Khoja is to eat, and the noun food, dijo. And to work, dira, and the work, tiro. So when it's about things, the verb ending becomes o when it is turned into a noun. When it's about people, we have a personal prefix and the ending e, moituti. Modiredi, the worker, but work itself, tiro, from khodira, to work. Now here we see a list of the emphatic pronouns, which basically means when you say me as for me, or how about you as for you, you have a different pronoun to when you say I do something. Kiadira, I am working, but na as for me, na kiadira. Wena uadira, wena as for you. Ene as for him or as for her. Rona as for us. Lona, you guys, and bone, them. And then when we add the word with, le, or also, or and, in front of that pronoun we get lena, meaning me too. Lewena, you too, and you. Leene, and him, and her. So if you want to say let's do something, all you need to do is start with a, re. It's like saying let us. Re is we do something, and then the verb should end in e and not a, because this is the subjunctive, so that we do something, literally. So you would have, for instance, with the verb goya, to go, goya tirong, to go to work, areye tirong, let's go to work, areye, let's go, tirong, to work. Are tsamaye, let's go. Go tsamaya is just to go in general. Are tsamaye, let's go. Are itute Setswana. Are itute, let's learn Setswana. Conversation 2. This time we'll look at the vocab before reading the conversation. We have khobotsa, to ask. Simola is to start. Again, this is the shortened form that you will hear in spoken in Tswana. Leka, kholeka, is to try. Khotla is to come. Khotlalohanya is to understand. Tlalohanya. Maitsiboa is the evening. Morahocha, moraho means after, so after something, morahocha. Tiro is work. Dumela John, khojang. Dumela Peter, khosiame, wena ukai. Lena kiteng, odira eng gompieno. Ke buile le Chris le lesera, baya difiliming maitsiboa. Nna ke batla goya le bone. Le wena o batla goya le rona. Ke a leboga, ke ka rata jalo. Ke ka botsa, filimi e tla simola leng. Ga ke itse. Gongwe ka 7:30. Go siame. Ke tla leka go tla morago ga tiro. Ke a tlhaloganya. Dumela John, go jang? Hi John, how's it going? It is how, go jang. Dumela Peter, go siame. Hi Peter, fine. It is well, go siame. Wena u kae? And you? Where are you? How are you? Literally kae is where, but in this sense it means how are you? Lena kiteng. Me too, I am well, I am here. O dira eng gompieno. What are you doing today? You do what today? Ke buile, I spoke. Ke buile from bua. Le Chris, with Chris. Le Sarah, and with Sarah. Baya di filming. They are going to the movies. Filimi, di filimi is from Afrikaans film. Maitsiboa this evening. Na ke batla go ya le bone. Me too, or as for me, I want to go with them. Le bone. So le bone can be and them or with them. Le wena, and you. U batla go ya le rona. You want to go with us. You want to go with us. Ke a leboga. Ke ka rata jalo. Thank you, I would like that. So thanks. Ke ka rata, I would like. Rata is to like or to love. Jalo, that. Ke ka botsa, may I ask? We'll look at the kika in another lesson, but this ka is like may I. Kika botsa, may I ask? Filimi itla simola leng. The film, the movie, it will start when. Leng means when. Ga ke itse, I don't know. Gongwe ka 7:30. Maybe at 7:30. Go siame, all right. Ke tla leka gotla, I will try. Ke tla leka gotla, to come. Morago ga tiro, after work. Ke a tlhaloganya, I understand. Example sentences. O dira leng or o bereka leng. When do you work? Le nna ke batla go tlhaloganya. Me too, I want to understand. Batswa kwa Botswana. They come from Botswana. Re tla simola morago ga tiro. We will start after work. O ya tirong leng. When are you going to town? To work? You go to work when? Bana basimolotse go bua. The children, they started from simola, simolotse, go bua, to speak. Baja mo kitcheneng. They eat in the kitchen. They are eating in the kitchen. A re tsamaye jaanong. Let's go now. Leina la gago ke mang? What is your name? Or leina la gago ke mang? Bana bami bana ko Tswane. My children, they live in Pretoria. Thanks for watching.